In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Razorpay to Odoo. To begin, you first need access to the right part of Odoo. Start by logging into your Odoo accounting or invoicing module. This is important because the payment provider settings are managed from within those areas, and you will want to make sure you are in the correct workspace before you start changing anything. Once you are logged in, take a moment to locate the configuration section. In many setups, this appears in the main menu or in a settings area. Go ahead and open Configuration and then look for Payment Providers. You are going to use this screen to choose Razorpay as the payment method that Odoo will connect to. As you open Payment Providers, you should see a list of available payment services. Scroll through or look for Razorpay in that list. When you find Razorpay, select it. After selecting Razorpay, you will need to install it. This installation step adds the Razorpay payment integration to your Odoo environment, so Odoo knows how to handle Razorpay payments when invoices are paid. After the installation completes, you will be able to configure the Razorpay connection details. Next, enter your Razorpay key ID and key secret. These credentials are what allow Odoo to securely communicate with Razorpay. Make sure you copy them carefully from your Razorpay dashboard and paste them into the correct fields. If either value is incorrect, the connection will not work as expected, so it is worth double-checking what you entered before moving on. With the key ID and key secret entered, you will now adjust the status of the integration. Find the state setting and set it to enabled. Setting it to enabled is what actually turns the integration on, so that Odoo can use Razorpay for payment processing rather than leaving it in an inactive or test mode. At this point, you have completed the essential setup. Odoo now has Razorpay installed, the authentication details are in place, and the integration is turned on. The final step ensures these changes are stored in your system. Click Save to apply the configuration. Depending on your Odoo version, you may see a confirmation message or the page may refresh, but the key thing is that you confirm the save action completes successfully. After saving, take a brief moment to ensure everything looks correct on the payment provider screen. Verify that Razorpay is listed and that the state remains enabled. This gives you confidence that Odoo is ready to send payment instructions through Razorpay when customers pay invoices. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.